Hello, welcome back to the channel. For those starting out wondering how much you could hold in the box method. Now, a lot of people are using these box method that Daily Refinement has recommended. And these boxes are 8 by 8, and I have the 32 inches. You could get 30 inches, you could get 36 inches, you could go as far as 40 if you want. Now in this box right here, right now, there's about 26 items. Some boxes will hold about 20, some even as low as 17 if you have shoes and bulky jeans. But if you have shirts like this, flat shirts, female blouses, I've gotten as much as 50 in these boxes, which is very efficient, saves a lot of space. So like I said, right now there's 26 in this box, but there's space for probably like 3 more. I could fit like 3 more items in here because they compress very nicely. So these boxes are not that expensive. I know they come in 25s. I'll put the price on the screen of how much I paid for this, but they're a good alternative from bins. Bins are pretty expensive, but when you get the boxes, then you got to get like the shelving units to house the boxes. So it's just something to think about. But these boxes right now, like I said, is 8 by 8, 32, and I could get about, let's just go with 25 to 30 items per box, depending on what it is. If you're putting sweaters and coats, it's going to be a lot less. Shoes does fit in this box very easily. Hold on one second, I'll show you. Okay, so now this is a box that has shoes in it, and obviously there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes. I could probably fit like 2 more, I would say, depending what kind of shoes in. So this would only get 10 shoes, which is not that efficient. Bins, you could probably get like 20 shoes in a bin. Bags, you could probably get the 20 shoes in a bag, 15 to 20 shoes in a bag. But in these boxes, you're only get about, once again, depending on the shoe, about 10 shoes in these boxes. But then again, they fit. Most shoes, all shoes will fit. Probably not big huge boots, but they fit. A good alternative to your storage needs. Alright, like and subscribe. I'm out.